Hi guys, currently I'm working on some stickers. So these are the stickers. I have some stickers that are newly designed. Yeah, so I made new different stickers and I'll post it on my store later after I cut them. Yay, finally it's done. So this is my new stickers and I finished cutting them. It's Kiss Cat. This is the things to remember, and this is the Band-Aid Kiss Cat as well. And upon cutting all the stickers, we cannot avoid making some oopsies stickers. So you can see that some parts of the paper are ripped like this. So I will cut the other stickers that is unharmed and we will include them in the freebies, or like this one, we will put this on the oopsies stickers. By the way, I just want to share, each stickers I print in a glossy stickers and a matte stickers. So you have two choices if you want glossy and if you want matte. Both Kiss Cut, and same with this as well. I print it with the glossy and with the matte. Yay! Kiss cutting is not over yet. Look how thick it is. I need to kiss cut each one of them since I don't have a Cricut, so I need to cut all of them like what I did here. Yeah, kiss cut. So let's start. Hi guys, currently I am packing my stickers for them to look presentable. So I print out this paper and put this on a piece of plastic, and I put my stickers inside and then close it. Okay, and then it will look like this. So these are all the stickers that I pack. So this will be my stocks, so that if there is someone who order, then I'll just easily get all of them here, and they are packed like this. Strawberry, and this one is the cupcake family. You know, I don't have an organizer, so I just use this Macau Imperial tea container because I want to be resourceful. I feel sleepy because it's already 1 a.m. but there's still a lot of things that I need to do, and here are some of the stickers that I still need to pack. So there are a lot. Anyways, I'm happy doing this. I'm almost done. I finished this stickers, and this is not all the stickers that I need to repack. There's still a lot of stickers, and since it's already 1 a.m. I feel sleepy, but I'll finish all of this for you guys.